How do I get my New York State fire alarm license? And I'm glad you asked that question because we have a state approved 81-hour fire alarm course hosted out here in Pearl River in our office in New York. The class is 4 weekends, Saturdays and Sundays for 81 straight hours. You have to sit in the class. It's going to be a fun class. It's not going to be boring, no lectures, anything like that. We're going to have fire alarm panels, communicators, CCTV systems, burglar alarm systems, access control systems, wiring. So that way you can understand what this equipment is and how to actually apply it in the real world. So when you sign up for our New York State fire alarm license, it's 5 modules. You get NFPA books, you get cheat sheets, you get a free copy of my pocket edition book, but you get all of the training you need to get access to take the state exam. Now you have to pass all 5 modules. Each module has a test at the end of it. We'll give you as much information as you need to help you pass these modules, but you have to pass every module in order to be eligible to take the state exam. So once you take the state exam, you would take all of this paperwork, you will get fingerprinted, you will get your application, you will take your $175 and you send that up to the state. Once you send that up to the state and you pass the exam, you will be a licensed fire alarm contractor. So if you're serious about moving on to the next step and getting your state license, then just click the link in my description. It's going to give you all the information about the course, when the next class is, and you can sign right up right there, and I'll see you in the class. Is the NICET exam hard, or is the New York State license exam hard? Any test you do not prepare for is extremely difficult. Now, when I took my New York State license test, it took me 15 times. And it wasn't because, it was because I didn't know. And on top of because I didn't know, it was my arrogance. Being that I was in the field for over 10 years, I felt that I was a good technician. Even though I was a good technician, I felt that I just knew I can pass this test. So that arrogance took me a lot of $15 and a lot of 6-month waiting period to take the next test. So 2013, and I actually got licensed in 2017. So I don't want you to do none of that. I want you to stay focused and get through it the first time. So in our training program will help you pass the exam the first time. And if you don't pass it, all you got to do is come back. We'll do a review, a refresher, and we'll help you pass it the next time.